Welcome to our comprehensive guide on cryptocurrency trading for beginners. In this video, we'll cover the basics of buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies, including important concepts and strategies to help you get started. Whether you're completely new to the world of crypto or just looking to expand your knowledge, a guide has everything you need to know to become a successful cryptocurrency trader. Before we jump into trading, it's important to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies. In this section, we'll cover what they are, how they work, and their potential benefits and risks. By the end of this section, you'll have a solid foundation on which to build your trading knowledge. Now that you have a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies, it's time to dive into trading. In this section, we'll cover the steps needed to start trading cryptocurrency, including choosing an exchange, setting up an account, and funding your wallet. We'll also cover important security measures to keep your investments safe. Once you're set up and ready to go, it's time to start trading. In this section, we'll cover some common trading strategies, such as day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. We'll also cover technical analysis tools and fundamental analysis concepts to help you make informed trading decisions. Finally, in this section, we'll cover portfolio management strategies to help you maximize your returns and minimize your risk. We'll cover diversification, risk management techniques, and tools for tracking your portfolio performance. By the end of this section, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio like a pro. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on cryptocurrency trading for beginners. We hope this video has given you a solid foundation of knowledge to start trading with confidence. Remember, always do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Happy trading!